big country is here. I am doing staycation in Kaanapali, Westin. North Tower. We're gonna go to the beach. There's my YouTube kid. Okay, go to mommy. I know. Look, there's a naked Filipina. And a small half-naked one too. We're walking here. Don't hit, Tilly, don't hit this. It's gonna knock it to the ground. It does look like, though, that's the 2500. That is the big, it is the big brother of our truck. So we're gonna take a walk to the pool. We've been lazy as fuck, laying around in the room. Got a villa over there. Sometimes we're very lazy people. We're not active. We're not ambitious. Oh shit, mommy's right in our room. Oh my god, there. So here's the ground. The beach is way over there. Our room. It's over there. That's ours. Wow, it's pretty amazing, yeah. It's the West Maui Mountains. I gotta be mindful to not be so quick with the camera. So I'll walk here. That's my exercise for the day. I had 3 cans of whatever the claw hammer, white claw. Feel good, a little bit buzz. I think I'll pause this video and resume. Get a little bit further. We'll stalk these 2 women here, woman and child. We'll stalk them. Pause it. Alright, where are we now? Now we're trying to get our bearings, I think. We should keep going straight. Oh, okay, that's the adult pool there. There's the barbecue pits. We cut through here. Huh? Oh yeah. Now we are stalking. So this is the adult pool. Tilly, you see? Look at Tilly. Look, Tilly. You're not allowed in there. Yeah. Stay out of that pool. That's for the adults. Only old people. I know. Yeah. It's like over there. There's barbecue pits all over the resort. I'm surprised you're not recording. There's a shower. I haven't bathed in a few days. So, it's a table. Wow, a table and another barbecue. So this is the family section here. I gotta be honest, man. It's cold as fuck out here. Honey, this way. Come. Right there. Oh, we don't have the towel card. Let me go. No, we'll use my white privilege to get towels. It should work, no problem. Let's see. Hey, how's it? Did 3 towels, please. How's your day going, bro? Good, man. Good. Appreciate it. Mahalo. It's very easy to get things when you're a white man. Whatever you want from the brown people. Well, she will carry the towels. That's the job of the Asian woman. Yeah, she's like, yeah, right. We'll pay for that later. So this is the family pool. Wide open for anybody here. We got a hot tub over there for everybody. See that there? So it's Easter break. Tomorrow's Easter, yeah? So, going this way, huh? So hey, the family needs me because I'm the only one who really knows where they're going. So we're going to the pirate ship. This is all Westin. North Tower, regular tower, low fat tower. So I believe we can cut through here or there. Let's go here. We can get there.
So guys, we don't have an idea where the heck we're going.
Yeah, Daddy sort of knows. I think we should have gone that way, but we can still get the way. Let's go this way. Come on. Let's go here. It's an adventure. Because we're cutting across. Over there is the pirate ship. Ahoy, me mateys. Pirates of the Caribbean. Never mind the hallway. Let's look at big country. Here we are. Whammo, baby. But I tell you, there it is. Pirate ship. Look, Otilia, it's the pirate ship.
Yeah.
And the playground. Yeah, it's good. There's a playground. It's the children. They eat a lot of dog food. Look, there's small white children there. That's nice. Okay, listen, man, I gotta cut this short here because it's time to go play in the water.